And now we want to discuss some different snoring devices and their efficiency, because we know the Buteyko method is very efficient when it comes to things like snoring or sleep apnea. And so what is your opinion about these devices?
Yeah, devices we have very high rating and became popular probably during last 10 years. We were not so known before. And we use different techniques. One of the methods, we put some nose vents, as we call, inside the nose. Yeah. Here is an example. SnoreCare, 4 premium nose vents to ease breathing and snoring. There are many different types of chin straps, so-called, and usually it goes around the chin, and maybe there is a band around the head as well. Sometimes they can be like plastic, sometimes they are more stretchable. SleepPro, anti-snore sleep chin strap. Snore solution device, snore relief guard. SleepWell Pro, stop snoring CPAP chin strap, anti-snoring solution, snore stopper, jaw support device. We do have efficiency because we allow, due to various mechanisms like straps, mostly because of keeping the jaw in place rather than opening mouth, helps people to keep jaw in place. And because of that, we do have efficiency by having this mechanical effect. Yeah. And we use similar technique which we described as mouth taping as one of the methods to prevent mouth breathing. So in terms of efficiency, we do work for a lot of people actually. For thousands of people, we can have great reviews as well. But what happens here is that what we teach people how to slow down their breathing, so that snoring and mouth breathing, and if people have sleep apnea, for example, other problems during sleep as well, they disappear completely with retraining of the way we breathe. So what we are talking here about, not just doing breathing exercises only, because people may practice exercise like for 1-2 hours a day, but they may not experience any change in their automatic breathing, especially during sleep. So that can be like not so effective, because the idea of breathing retraining, the central idea, is to slow down our breathing back to the medical norm.
Yeah, sure.
And that allows a complete solution of snoring, and also like as a temporary measure, like we do mouth taping and anti-snoring devices, chin straps, snore buster, SnoreCare, like all these devices, they can be used as a temporary technique, because in the long run, I don't know, some people may like it, but if people look even for better solutions, it's possible to do retraining of breathing, practicing breathing exercises, so that not only to get these particular symptoms solved, and maybe some improvements people may notice in the nervous sphere, like psychologically, we feel better throughout the day, but also to achieve even higher, greater benefits due to much shorter sleep, having better quality of sleep, having more energy, ability to exercise. So there are many positive effects which can be achieved with breathing retraining, and that is also well proven, because we had so many students who solved, for example, snoring problem, which we discussed in another video, because virtually all people who achieved, as we discussed, even 30 seconds closer, like 40 seconds is the medical norm, are able to get rid of snoring completely, naturally, using the technique which involves breathing retraining.
Yeah.